Another trip to the old coffee shop. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So I was in Lannion, a city in Brittany, Bretagne, and I did not have car today. I did not drive, so I chose to go to the city center. So I walked around half an hour or 1 hour, arrived city center, and walk around. Beautiful city, a small city, but it becomes so lively. I think today there is an art fair. Artists showcase their artworks and showcase, and there was even a street musician playing beautiful sound. And I was just walking aimlessly and go to these familiar but new stores, unfamiliar stores. And looking at those things makes me so happy. You see the life, you see the people, you see the style, you see their interest. And it's so lively. Does not have to be big, right? So I end up to a coffee shop. And last year I have been here. Actually, I have done a reportage, a report of that coffee shop, petite. And it's a very elegant coffee shop. I was thinking having a cup of coffee and a piece of cake will be perfect. Then I saw there is a hot chocolate, grand hot chocolate, chantilly, and onctueuse. So I chose that one. And that was, so it's a hot chocolate, chantilly with whipping cream on top of it, and dusted with chocolate, and it's chocolate onctueuse, so it's kind of a thick chocolate, very condensed chocolate. It's like a chocolate soup. It's like drinking a soup with chocolate. It's all condensed. Oh, it's so very good. And it's good. I didn't buy the cake. The cake is beautiful. I didn't take a picture of it, but just use your imagination. How beautiful is the cake with cream, with chantilly. Anyway, I didn't buy the cake. It is already enough. And I saved money of the cake. And I think it's just perfect, not too much money, and I totally enjoyed, and it's my style. It's not about spend a lot of money. If I spend a lot of money, I think I will have less happiness. People are different. That is me. So I sit there and enjoy the most comfortable seat. And that seat, I think, was made for the king or for the queen. I sit there for half an hour, just reflecting on the goodness of the ordinary, mundane life. Nothing special, nothing complicated. So 20 minutes later, I start to feel that the hot chocolate is burned out. So I took out my cookie I always have cookie whenever, wherever I travel, or whenever, wherever I go out. So I finished my day happy, filled, and fulfilled. Just right. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Goodbye, bye.